Zonga finally unlocked a new species. What kind of eaglefish is this? Brothers, wake up and let the sun bask in your butts. It scares the fishes. It's calm and clear today, so you don't have to go too far. Let's go to the same place. I've been walking along this route recently. Explore the left side of the island. Although there aren't many big fish, I'm sure there's something to eat here. It's been a calm day today. Looking at the sea water is so high definition. Sure enough, today is super high definition water. It's so beautiful. I can sing in this underwater world. It is simply a great enjoyment in life. He found a small store and bumped into him. Oh, it's too far. Hit it. Wow, the first line got off to a good start. The tail of the mature golden bottle armor has turned yellow, which is really beautiful. Today I still use the fish stick that I stopped DIYing. Just pierce it through the head, and the brain will die immediately. Dead. The one on the right is very efficient, and you can't lose any fish no matter what. I inserted the second no-focus carving. Many friends ask me to soak in the sea every day. Is there any way to get rid of him? Thinking about it, when it rained before, when kicking up tiles or lying down, there will indeed be joint swelling. On land, doing human exercise in a humid environment, it should receive a huge impact. It is easy to be worn and injured. In humid environment, it is easy to get damp and cold into your injured joints. This kind of human movement for a long time, rheumatoid arthritis does occur. But now I soak in the sea every day, but no rheumatic joint swelling. It's so strange. This white soft sound is coming. Wow, hit. Wow, finally released new varieties. This is the first time I've seen this kind of white light clothes. The tail is blue. The lower body has turned black due to excess sweat blood. This is the first time I've seen such a beautiful chingy. Does anyone know the specific scientific name of this hawk goose fish? The beak looks like an eagle or goose. It must be the eagle goose fish. I told you first, take it back and study it slowly. Back to the topic of the joint haul just now. After many years of research and observation on this, harpooning fish is indeed less likely to cause rheumatism and joint swelling. That's because to use a harpoon, you have to pull dozens of kilograms of spleen tendons. Shallow oil seabed, stretching the spleen muscle is a huge amount of exercise. Body temperature rises quickly. At this time, moisture and cold air cannot enter the joints at all. And the benefits in the sea are great. Even if I keep kicking, the joints will not bear a large impact force, although the amount of exercise is so large. But the joints are not injured or worn out. And the body temperature is also very high, so there is no moisture or cold at all. But shoot fish with a spear gun. It's possible that the moisture will be trapped. Because with a spear gun, need to move quietly. Dive into the sea without holding your breath. Target fish. Just press the spot to launch the fish sword. The body won't get much exercise. Cold air and moisture can easily enter the joints. So many people who use spear guns are afraid of the cold. Wetsuit required. See? They're British fish. Roast up and tail. Beautiful. What is this? And tail. This is an ant's tail. Not ants. Ant. 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 Eat fish. Eat. Ant. Ant.
Okay, so
Every. Both Tian and Princess watch the sunset here, simply and quietly. I feel quite happy already.